我要什么的话吗？就你要想要读 chemical 的，
这样摔了。哦，原来还有这种事。嗯，哇，明明年。
哦，你要认识他，加热你就认识了。哦，加热谁都认识。哦，为什么你们没有吃？因为没有。是哦，受伤。哎，今天 Crescendo 有 Open Day 是吗？上个星期是 Open Day，这个星期是什么 day？因为是马大 Fair，我明白了。International Day, Invictus Open Day, so many Open Day。哦，嘉义 also Open Day 啊，有些学校也是 Open Day 啊。 今天过不来，今天。Okay, are you all ready?
Yeah.
Yes. How to do the first one? Do you want know what is a unit vector? Can you find the magnitude of the unit vector? 5 square minus 12 square. You get 13? 13. 他看到 unit vector 就是拿这个 in the direction. So unit vector, the formula is vector divided by magnitude of the vector. Magnitude of vector. How come you alone? I don't know. You didn't come with your friend. Kayong咩? You don't know. 冰山嚟啲。Why? Today the school got activity ah? No. Okay. Okay, so this is just 1 over something. Okay, it's just 1 over the thing and multiply by the vector itself. This is called unit vector. Are you clear with this? Yes, very easy. Any problem? No problem. Constant value given this, find the R and K. We can form two equations from here. The S coordinate will form the first equation. Okay, like that. 上面一排，下面一个。两个。And then this one you can rearrange a bit. 4 plus 10R is 2K. And divided by 2, K is 2 plus 5R, first equation. 可以吗？第一个。How about second equation? Second equation is 3K equal to 5R. Can you solve these two equations to find the K and the R? 来找一下，看怎么答。今天好像是比较多人了，今天 open day 是吧？啊，还好啊，每年都一样，东西都一样，有变吗？真的，这多年都是啊，怎么一样？巧克力，今年做饭团。Okay, let's check and see. Substitute 1 into 2. 1 plus 3, 2 plus 5R. 5R. 1 plus 6, 15R. 5R again. 10 is 10R0. 10R is 97. 97 over 10. 对吧？对啊。Okay. How about the other one? Okay, the other one is K value. What is the value? Minus 15 over 10. Minus 3 over 2. 对吧？ 5 minus 2 minus 5 times 7 over 10. Minus 3 over 2. Okay, any problem or not? Let me check the answer. Betul. Betul ah. Okay, good. Betul. Okay. Okay, next one. Do you know what to do? We are looking for vector of AB. So vector of AB, we can see there are A, B, and C. This one means OA is P. OB is 3Q minus P. OC is 9Q minus 5P. So AB is okay. You can take OB minus OA. 也可以直接写了。This is called position vector of B minus position vector of A. It means you are taking the second coordinate minus the first one. Second minus first. 你可以写 because initially you see AO plus OB. So AO is negative OA plus OB. So it's OB minus OA. So it's the same. So next time when you see this thing, you can straight away take the second position vector minus the first position vector. Yes, Kaliang, where do you go? Mata Fair. Jalan. How got good bargain or not? Got free ticket? No free ticket. Now, don't know. Last time can go Japan. But this year we are the worst, Now the Japan economy picking up. Share market performance very good. Yen also very good. How about us? We are going down and down. What should we do? You cannot do anything. It's not your problem. Okay, this is minus 3Q minus 2P. Is it correct, Stephen? Yes. Yes, very good. AC, can you do the same thing? How to do? OC minus OA. Second one minus the first one. OC based on this. IQ minus 5P. Number 6P. Yeah, minus another one more P. So it's 9Q minus 6P is correct. Okay. Any problem up to here? No problem. How do you prove that A, B, and C are on the same straight line? So you have to see what is the relationship between AB and AC. You see now A number 3. AC is, you can factorize the 3, right? 3Q minus 2P. Is it correct? Take out this. So this is 3 times. When you have something like that, then we can say that ABC on the straight line. Collinear. This is concept of collinear. Collinear. So therefore, ABC are in the same straight line. Just like collinear. They are collinear. Okay. Do you know how to draw the line? AC and AB, who is longer? AB longer or AC longer? AC is 3 times of AB. Who is longer? AB. AC is 3 times longer. Think again. AC 是 AB 的3倍，所以比较大。AC is longer. It means a straight line A to C is here. So where is AB? 就是中间这边。Here got 3 parts. Right? So this is here. Okay. Can you tell me if it's this? What is the ratio AB to BC? Is equal to what? How many parts are there for AB? Are you sure? See it again. AB take out how many parts? Now 几分? 1 part. BC take out how many parts? 2 parts. 1 to 2. 什么叫 get 不到？你看这个 AC is 3 times AB. That means AC got 3 parts of AB. That means B must be here. AC 是 AB 的3倍嘛，对吧？ So what is the ratio AB to BC? AB 多长？一个 part 嘛。BC how many part? 2个 part. 1 to 2. 画一下。You understand? Draw the line. Help yourself to understand the diagram. Then you help yourself to get the answer. Correct or not? You try yourself and see the next question. Hard question. Can you do hard question or not? 你做了？你在做什么？还在做这题啊？这样我不可以这么快啊，反正你全部人 get 不到。哦。对。
哦，这有边啊，我把计划。
Can you draw the line? In the line is not tight enough. 那个 printing quality 不好，看一下。嗯。第一题没有，第一题没有diagram吗？上面题哪有diagram？没有，它只是 overlap 到一点，这没有，够送。没有，那个是下面的。它不是diagram。你画这么好，你浪费你的地方嘛？不要画。
哪个主要啊？这单子。我们到说的，这多2句，我们干聊得来的，干才就业了。
Okay, let's see this question. We need to draw a parallelogram. So this is the parallelogram. OA, BC. OA is A. OC is C. D on OC, ratio 1 to 2. So the D is going to be somewhere here. Ratio is 1 to 2. Okay. And then E on AC. So draw a line joining E to AC. The ratio of E is longer. So you'll be further away from A, nearer to the C. So the ratio is 2 to 1. Okay, now we need to show OB. KDE, find the K, 5 marks. Can you do it? How to do it? Okay, what is OB? This one is parallelogram. Can we say this is also C? If here C, this one must also be C. OB is OA plus AB. So it's going to be A plus C. Is it correct? What is DE? D to E, because here there's a DE. What is D to E? D to E will be DC plus CE. CE ma. What is CD? DC is, oh, this one DC same direction with C, right? Is it 2/3 C? This one 2 parts. 2 parts out of 3 parts of C. How about CE? CA. CE is 1/3 of CA, right? So what is CA? Negative C plus A. Can you simplify this? We have now 2/3C minus 1/3C plus 1/3C. You are going to get 1/3 C. No, A. 1/3 C plus 1/3 A. What should we do with this one? Can we factorize or not? Is it equal to 1/3 A plus C? So 1/3 or what? A plus C is what? OP, right? So we have successfully proved that the OB is KDE. So how do you write? Because this is DE. What is OB now? Cross multiply 3DE. So is it correct? The K is 3? 3DE, right? Correct. That means the K will be 3. That's all. Any problem? Can you follow me? Okay. The next one, do you want to try yourself? Please try yourself. Whose paper mean is it? Oh, whose mean is it? Oh, this is just a rubbish. Not yours, huh? Sit down. Okay, you. Okay or not? This save by exam very good one 的 question。他的问题哦，考试会从这边拿。
看分数少，
要分分数少不少
他？的自己因为记住的，
懂他们怎么会别认识？
明白明白。
这些我去看它里面 set 问题的人啊，他们是跟在 Cambridge 里面呢有 position 的人呢。OQ is straightforward, right? Because we can see OQ, you need to start from here, and we need to be here. So it's just 2B plus A. You get the same thing? B plus A. Okay. How about next one? QS, can you get the answer now? QS. QS is here to here. I think also okay, right? QS, you need to go backward. It means you go back minus A. This also go back minus 2B. And then go forward plus 3A. So it's going to be 2A minus 2B. Is it correct? 2A minus 2B. Hmm. 这个不可以拿不动，拿不动。Okay, now we're given this find OS in terms of this and this. What is OS? OS, is it equal to OQ plus QS or not? And do you have the coordinate for OQ or not? You have one. 2B plus A, 2B plus A. And we also have the equation for QS, mu QS. What is mu QS? 2A minus 2B. Minus 2B. Is it correct? Okay. 2B plus A mu 2A minus 2B. 在这边写，这边 mu. Okay, mu QS. Okay, can you factorize this? 这样合起来。A first, what is inside the factorization? This one is 1 plus 2 mu A. Do you see this? 这一嘛 2A, 2 mu. How about B? How to write? 直接乘进去，然后再搬出来。How about B? This one got 2 minus what? 这边 minus 2 mu, correct? 2 minus 2 mu B. OK 了，对吧 ？Factorization. 这个 A got one part, B got another part. OK 了。Second one you want to try now? Okay, second one how to find? OS. This one straight away OS, right? Lambda. Do we have the vector OR? What is vector OR? Can you see on the diagram? 3A 加 B, 3A plus B. Or OR, so replace OR with 3A plus B. Correct, 3A plus B. Okay, now this house can also, this is lambda, this is mu. So this is 3 lambda A plus lambda B. Do you agree? Okay, now we need to find the value of lambda and mu. How? This one here to do by comparison. How to compare? What can we say about this value and this value? They are the same. How about the second one? They are also the same. Okay, I'll give you some time to work out this. Try to find the lambda, the value of lambda and the value of the mu. Okay, please try and see. Okay, so coefficient compare with coefficient. 复杂吗？一个因为它有个 part， 拿不住，很乱了。这个乘这个一个，这个乘这个这一个。它是 m 又不是 m， 它叫 mu， 它是这样的。以后你做老板就写一个 mu enterprise， 对吗？你知道谁是 mu 呢 ？Have you heard about mu1 before? mu1 is mu1 is called mu1. It's high energy particle. So this high energy particle, you know about half-life? Half-life is just 3 milliseconds. So the time is very, very short one. So this thing will form on the atmosphere. Have you heard about atmosphere? It's forming somewhere here. So that is impossible for this muon to reach the surface of the Earth one. It cannot reach one. But because of this thing traveling with speed of light, it's traveling with very high speed, near speed of light, about 99% of speed of light. At the end, by right, this thing will die off. They will finish. 到这边就完蛋了. They cannot. They doesn't have the chance to go into the lab. And then they put a detector on the lab. At the end, they found this thing. What does it mean? How come something that impossible to reach? Because the atmosphere is actually very thick one. Okay, they should have die off, disappear here. How come you can detect it here? Then in the end, they found that it's because of the special theory of relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity. They found that when something travels by speed of light, you call something called length contraction. It means the length suddenly becomes shorter. Then the time dilate. Actually, today I want to teach this one. I have no chance to teach. Dilation. Then they found that, oh, actually, the theory of relativity is true because of the muon. You can go back to search for muon in YouTube. You can search. You can tell you a lot of story about this muon. OK， 它就叫 muon 咯。muon， 你去找这个，你 type 这个字 muon 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 muon。Can you see muon or not? They will tell you a lot of story about this muon. Okay. That is why you see in many different places they start to detect the appearance. They start to show up, the alien. Why are they showing up? Actually, they feel that it's a time to tell us the truth. Actually, you see those alien, those the UFO, they can go like that, suddenly stop, then they can change direction, go there, one. Our fighter jet cannot even follow them one. Why? They can do something called anti-gravity. They can make the gravity disappear and make it appear again, disappear, appear again. It means they can manipulate speed of light. 这他做到. It is possible. Okay, let's come back here to here again. Can you get the answer? What is the value of the lambda? Who can tell me the value of lambda? Mu, who can tell me the value of the mu? 6 over 6 mu. 8 mu equal to 5. 5 over 8 correct. mathematics 是可以的怎么谈? Okay, minus 2, 5 over 8 again. How about this value? So what do you get? 2 minus 10 over 8 is 3 over 4. Also correct. Very good term. Jeremy, how are you? Is your phone functioning or not? Yes. Finish checking already? Okay. How about the value of this? Who can get this? Can you get the value of QS to SX? Anything that we can use here? 可以用到哪一个? What do we have? QS. The first one is QS equal to mu QS. So this one already found the value 5 over 8 QS. The second thing that we have now is the OS is equal to lambda QR. Lambda is 304. Lambda OR. Okay, now we have these two things. Can help us to get this value or not? Where is the thing? Let's think and see. Where can we find the QS on the diagram? QS is here. Okay, let's try to see from the diagram. The first one we have is QS equal to 5 over 8 QS. QS is 5 over 8. So means QS will take 5 parts. QS will take 3 parts. QS is 5 over 8. QS is 5 parts out of 3. Okay, this one should be 3. Okay, what else do we have? We have another one is 3, 4. OS is 3, 4. 3 out of 4. So this one 1. Okay, we are looking for what? QS to QS. Hey, this one already know already. So what is the ratio? Can you see on the diagram? QS to QS. Is it 5 over 8? It's QS to QS. QS SS. Sorry, SS. Wrong. QS to SS is 5 to 3. Okay. Ratio. Equal. See from diagram, that's all. Normally the vector question a lot of marks 10 marks 8 mark, 10 mark. 对，一大边一点，这边一点哦。OK or not? Finish already? Can follow or not? Shall we? Okay. Okay, I give you some time. Work out this one. You need 5 minutes or not? Okay, seriously, I give you 5 minutes to do it. Okay, do it. 还有1分没有拿到啊？哦，还有一个 OR OS see the diagram again. OR to OX. OR how many part? 这边是 4 part 吗？3 plus 1 4啊。OS 3 part. 4 to 3. Yeah, 4 to 3. Okay, 4 to 3. See from here. Here 1, here 4 add together is 4. This one 3, 4 to 3. OS got 3 part. 4 to 3. 你看啊，这个 OR 吗 ？O to R 3 plus 1，对吧？这个3个 part，这个1个 part 吗？3 plus 1 4吗？OS is 3吗？这初三吗？这个从这边来的。This one is from here 吗？OS equal to 304。OS equal to 304 OR 吗？那除下去就是什么？OS divided by OR is 304。So what is OR to OS？ 我不知。好，从这边除下来 ，upside down。OK 了。OK， 3 minutes 啊。OK， 这是真的是不要 5 minutes 不要忘了。Let you do yourself. Let me check the answer. Why Eunice cannot come today? Your friend didn't come also, you don't want to come. They are waiting for you. They will ask why you didn't come. Okay, let's check the OS. Are you able to find the OS? Okay, first of all, label the thing first. Label one by one. Okay, so we have so many points. Okay, so we need to get the ratio here. 3 to 1, right? Okay, 3 to 1. So OS, to find OS, you need to, the arrow must be there, the arrow. OS can be, OP is this one. You can go in this direction. That means it's OB plus OBS. And OB is B. BS, you can change it to 1 out of 4 of AB. Or BA, the direction is BA. You have to follow the same direction. BS and BA in the same direction. So it's BA. So AB, BA, you have to see the vector negative B plus A minus B plus A. So it's going to be, okay, this one. Hey, those online one, can you hear me or not? 嘉一听得到吗 ？OK 吗 ？Eunice，OK
Yes.
啊，声音是 OK 啊，the sound OK 啊，everything OK 啊。Okay, the first one is 3 over 4 of B. The second one is 1 over 4 of A. Is it correct? Then we can take out the 1 over 4, A plus 3B. Is it correct? Okay. Okay. Now we have found this. Now we have to find AC. B is the midpoint. It means this is another B here. So AC, you need to go backward, A to O, O to C. A to O is the opposite direction. O to C is just 2B. So you're going to get 2B minus A. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Okay, next one, we check again. Okay, let's go on to this. We have this. We need to find this. AY is what? Do we have OA or not? Wait, OA, right? AY is OY minus OA. OY is HOS minus OA. OS, this is the one. Okay, HOS, so this is OS, H over 4, A plus 3B minus A. Is it correct? Can you factorize this or not? How to factorize? A, the coefficient. What is the coefficient for A? H minus 4. How about this? Can you say it's minus 1? H over 1 is on A. The next part, is it 3 over 4 HB? 这个呢？对吧？这个。Okay, check again. This one is 3B. 哪一个？没有这个 H over 4 minus 1嘛，放这边。H4 times 3 for B 嘛，写这边 here. Okay. And you need to form one more。OK，这个 settle 了。OK，yeah correct，一分，不要看不起一分，慢慢来，慢慢来，有点做生意这样嘛。We do business, cannot say 10 cent you do one, cannot 10 cent got 1,000, 10 cent is 100 already 哦。啊，是啊，慢慢来咯。OK，how about this one? Do you have MAC or not? MAC, any AC here? Got 2B minus A. M 2B minus A. Okay, write properly. 2B minus A. Okay, you need to find the H and K. What should we do with this? 这个做什么？这个 What is the thing? We need to A go together minus MA, the first one, plus 2MB. Is it correct? This one together with this minus this one go together with this. Why we need to do like that? Because we need to compare. Because here got AY, this is another AY. So these two are equivalent vector. If these two are the same, the coefficient need to be the same. That means you can see that, we can say that this number, the minus m is going to be h over 4 minus 1. Is it correct? Compare the coefficient. So means the m can be, the m will be what? This one negative become positive, the positive become negative. You okay? How about the second equation? This is by comparison. How about the second one? This is the B. This one is also B. Can we say that 2B is 3 over 4H? The H, the M will be 3 over 8H. Can you try to solve this and get the H and the M? Okay, you see one more time by yourself. So try to get the two vector and then compare. Okay. 做很累啊，做一整天啊，那些。哦，林志赞 play for one whole day 而已哦，对吧？那边走这边走啊，啊 ，student ambassador 啊，你啊，then you bring the parent go for school tour，对在啊，这你们做吗？哎，school so to go，係啊，哦，個 certificate one 嚟，係啊，不錯。啊，喂，你 look down the certificate 啊？啊，第一次啊？你拿 certificate？ Sure or not? They don't give you a certificate. Cannot 啊。
已经3年了哦 ，Open Day 也是有2年了。
You write a complaint letter. You do not give me the certificate. I don't want to pay the school fee. 对啊。It's not like that. Sure can get one. 100% will reply you immediately. 对吧？对吧？是呗？
相信我，一定帮你们拿到了。这个也是。
This is the lesson you need to learn in the society. Do not trust anyone, even your teacher. 对了 ，No need to trust them. No lah. I don't know one day they want to give. By right, they should give the certificate. But this time they are very serious. They ask us to submit all the name 3 times already. 是咩? Maybe they keep the certificate for you. Wait until you leave the school and then give you in one shot. Isabel, this is all your certificate. 对吧？一整件啊，哪怕你都不见掉了啊 ，print out for you 是啊，因为你没有用的嘛这些。You want to hang on the wall 啊 ？You want to hang on the wall？ 是啊，欠你的，那些年学校欠我的是。Okay, plus together. Okay, is it 5 啊？5哦。 Is it 8/5? Correct or not? 对，停止站。Okay, now you. 啊，来做么？看电话。You see, even though you are going to be big boss phone, also cannot do like that. Okay, 3/5. Can you check and see or not the answer? Is it correct? Let me check. It seems correct. Yes, this is correct. Okay. Okay, since you are very tired, okay, I let you try the question. Well, you're welcome. Okay, do it. Tired man. Young people, energetic one ma. Tired is never in your dictionary, correct or not? Is it? 多病。Okay, 我改良啊。Why not? Try what? Try the very hard one. You would like the challenges, is it? Oh, hard. Equally hard, there's no difference. Yeah. Yeah, no difference. Four. 4点可以下课了。So fast you want to go home already? Bye. We got so early.怎么可以做到吗？做不到？什么start 在面？没有想，要清醒一下。别。Okay, let's see what is it about. 啊？你以为在什么？吃豆腐啊？那完了。One Sudoku can keep you busy for one whole day. Happy or not? 啊？Sudoku 还有人玩哦，很喜欢玩啊，还是很是啊。哦，我没有玩过一场，一次都没玩过。没有啦，我没有。What is the principle？ 只是加钱。OK， 这样子我有空我再玩。对。Timing。对，I'm free later I will do。啊？有空得空现在不可以。是啊。Okay, we need to find this equal to this one. We need to start from here, right? Okay, let's write down this first. Okay. Tomorrow when I free, I make a cup of coffee and I play. Okay. Okay, so how? Alpha A, alpha 1. And the B, what is the B? Minus this. Okay. Can we combine? Because this is 4 alpha. So we put the 4 alpha together. This is minus 12, right? So this belongs to I. How about J? There is a 4 here. 1 minus beta, then J. Okay, so now we can compare and see. We need to compare with this. So alpha plus 3 is going to be 4 alpha minus 12. You need to find the alpha and beta. So what is the alpha now? 带过去 minus 3 alpha minus 15.
都把你五
Alpha is 5, correct or not? Beta 等于2. Let's check and see. 有 gamma. Okay, gamma we do not have. Okay, this is minus 2. Beta is 4 plus 2, so it's going to be 6. That's all. Okay, not? We're not very tough lah. Yeah. Beta 4加2. Beta 是减 beta. 4 minus beta. 我 check 一下。Let me check and see. Yeah, correct. Yeah, alpha is 5, beta is 6, correct. Confirm, okay, ma? Okay. Find the unit vector. Do you remember how to find? What should we do first? Do we have the vector of this or not? 4 minus a is what? 4b minus 4a. We have 4a minus b. Can we use this or not? So it's a negative 4a minus b. What is this? Do we have the vector 4a minus b? Can we take this one now? Alpha is 5, so this one is going to be 8i. 8i. 8i and minus 2j. So minus 8i plus 2j. Is this one called unit vector? Do you call this thing unit vector or not? Unit means to divide. Divided by what? Magnitude of the vector. A squared plus 2 squared. 64 plus 4 is 68. Correct or not? So unit vector is what? 1 over square root 68 multiplied by minus 8 and 2j. Correct or not? Do you like this answer? No. Can we simplify this or not? What is square root 68? Square root 68. 这个 i， 这个叫 i 啊 ，i j j， 接下来这样子画 j 画一个甚至 j underscore j 这样子 vector 吗 vector a 哇，来这样这样子画一条画呢 j 也是这样的 ，it's not here no it's here。没有那么画了。We do not, you do not draw like that. We draw like this. Vector J. Here or not? 啊？什么东西？跟我有什么分别？
啊？
什么分别？清除？
没有，都放那个 camera 拉大。
有没有拉大？15。后面3。原来是一样的。有啊，有点差。不过我不大会玩。浪费钱嘛，对。是浪费钱。嗯。
我本来买 Pro 我进去打自己那个。
嗯。很无聊哈。啊。有空，这个是拿去拍美女的，不是拍这个安哥啊。Okay. Okay, this is 1 over square root 17 minus 4i plus j. simplified. Cannot live in this form. It's not simplified form. This one, your calculator should be able to give you this value, right? Then you can further simplify. Correct? Okay, your calculator can get you this. Cannot get, then change a new one. Okay. Since you're all very rich, you can always have this. Correct? 你这算呢？这算是 super rich 呢？这个要去做老板呢。Okay, are you ready for super hard? What is super hard? Is it really super hard? I don't know why they put super hard. 其实没有很 hard 啊。I don't know. Super hard, very hard. Super hard. Super shine. Okay, the position vector OP is equal to initial point plus time times velocity. So this one is the initial point, starting point, initial point, initial position. So this one is going to be this value. And we have a constant speed and we have a direction. What is the point of having these two values? This one will get us the velocity. The problem is, how are we going to get the velocity based on these two values? This one is a magnitude. You need to multiply by unit vector. What is the unit vector of this? 1 over what? 4 square plus 3 square. 5. This one 5. 10 divided by 5? 2. So minus 8 and 6. Okay, this is how we can get the velocity. You understand? That means take the initial position. After that, you have to come back to this position vector again. Initial point is 30 and 10 plus the time multiplied by velocity. Are you okay with this three? Okay or not? Oh, no, okay. That's all. That's all. This is formula. That means you have to take the initial position, look for initial position, find the vector for velocity. Sometimes they will not give you directly. They will tell you the speed, and then they give you the direction. So they expect you to use the magnitude multiplied by unit vector to get the velocity. Then substitute into here. Okay, now are you clear with the working? Okay, here. Try to understand the working. 就是这样罢了。Okay. Okay, Genevieve. Genevieve say okay, definitely okay one. Yes, confirm. Okay, now we have this one is point P. We have found the position by point P. There is another one point Q. Start from the another point Q, starting to move or in the other direction. So we need to find the speed. Can you look for the speed or not? This one means the position vector for Q is this one, the starting point, plus T and phi 12. Do you know what is this about or not? Do you know this one represent what? What is the equation again? Starting points plus time times velocity, right? How do you get the speed from velocity? Speed and velocity, are they the same or not? No, no. If you have the speed, what is, this one is a velocity. The speed is actually the magnitude of the velocity, magnitude. How do you get the magnitude? What got distance beyond the time? Magnitude of this one, what is the magnitude? Square root, square root. Yes, this is 13. Oh, yeah, 13. That's all. 1, 4, 4. 369 square root. Okay. So smart one. So many math teacher. Okay, the exact distance between P and Q when T equal to T. Okay, so this one you need to find the value. This is based on 10, so you need to find OP. OP, that is the equation. Equation for the OP is 3010 plus T minus 8 and 0, minus 8 and 6. Okay, this is negative 8 and 6. Okay, so now the time is 10. If the time is 10, you need to find the OP at this time. 10 minus 8 and 6. What is the value? Hai hao.
还好就是个
10 OK 啦。经济角度来看，这个是 OK 了，因为它不贵，它又可以喝，所以你不可以嫌它啊。哦，这个价廉物美，你很棒哦。啊，7毛了，它现在多少钱？啊？现在3块啊？说什么？that means 消费者是很 sensitive 啊。Consumer always sensitive, very sensitive with price. If you increase 10 cents also, they will know. Correct? 啊？0.01 cent also you know. Oh. That's why you need to give discount. When you put a pricing, even though you want to charge 10, you charge 9.99. Then they'll say, oh, below 10, cheap. Right now. More than 10, not cheap. Right now. Okay, market sentiment. Market segment. Hey, how can? Yeah. First value, is it minus 50? Second value, is it 70? Yes or no? Okay. Can you find the OQ again? OQ also based on the same time. Based on this, what is it again? Plus 10, 10 of 5, 12. What is the value? Okay. Minus 80 plus 50 is going to be minus 30. The other one, is it 210? Okay, now the after a while, actually, the other point is here. So the point P is here, point Q is here. How are we going to find the exact value between them? How? What do we need to know in order to find the distance? We need to know distance PQ. What is the distance of PQ? OQ minus what? Minus over P. Minus 30 minus 210 minus negative 50 and 70. What is the value? Top part become 20, bottom part become 140. Is it correct? Okay, is this one the distance? This is not the distance. Then what is the distance? Distance is the magnitude of this PQ. What is the magnitude of PQ? Square root of something and something. So what is it now? Exact value. Let me check and see the answer. Exact value is what? What is the exact value of this? MS pass 只做1分。哦。 MS 有没有拿到？Direct Mr. Chu 应该很给很快哦。No，Mr. 我的干了，我的干也是很快。Math department all teacher very fast one. They have teamwork one. Fast and furious. Okay, this one, when you simplify this, this is 2 times 10 to the power of 4. So you can change it to 10 to the power of 2 times square root 2. So it's 100 square root 2. Any problem with the magnitude? Okay, now PQ, how this? Do you understand the whole concept? How to find the distance between 2 points? Okay, so you need to have 2 vector equations. 好，它撞在一起 then in the intersect. Do you have confidence to do it? Let's see the second question. Okay, try the second question. Okay, the previous one, okay? Okay. Why? Y 写生。对。Okay, can you get the answer or not? Let me see your answer. 435, okay. Yeah, 435. Okay, the AB you need to find first. To get the AB, you need to take OB minus OA. 10, 3 minus 6 and minus 5. So it's 4 and 8. Is it correct? Yeah. Unit vector, find the magnitude of vector. Square root 4 square and 8 will be 4 square and 8. What is the value? Square root of 80. What is square root of 80? 435. Yeah, 435. And then you need to find the unit vector. Unit vector you can write in this form. Write arrow and put a cap like that. Cap. This one means unit vector. So it's the vector itself divided by magnitude of the vector. Okay, like that. So this is 1 over 435 multiplied by 48. Any chance we can, by any chance we can simplify it? We can simplify by divided by 4. So it's 1 and 2. Okay, 1/5. Actually, we don't like to write as 1/5. 1/5 is also 5 over 5. 1, 2. So this is more complete. Comfortable. This is the answer that you have to write. Oh. Okay, so you have no problem with this. B is the midpoint of BC. Find the value of S and Y. How are we going to do it? Now that is AB, BC, and that is a A here. What does it mean to you? Midpoint. What is the formula for midpoint? OA is equal to what? OB plus what? OC divided by what? 2. Midpoint. Okay, because this one just like the point is here. Normally, if you have S and Y, 1, 1, 2, 2, the midpoint will be divided by 2, right? Because if you pass together divided by 2, it's actually adding the number divided by 2. So it's the same. Do you agree? What is OB and OC? Do we have the vector for OB and OC? 10, 3, and SY. Can we say that this is also equal to the, because it's given 6 and minus 5. Can you solve this equation to get the S and Y? How to solve? This one you can make it half 10 plus S is 6. Can you get the S or not? It means you take the number divided by 2 is equal to 6. 2, you are right. S is equal to 2. How about Y? Negative 8. Half 3 plus Y. This is 3 plus Y equal to minus 10. Is the Y equal to minus 13? Yes. Is it correct? Let me check. Oh, you are right. Congratulations. Okay. How about the next one? E lies on OD in this ratio. Find the value of lambda if the B is parallel to S axis. What's the meaning of parallel to S axis? x-axis is here. PE parallel to x-axis means this one. So how? You want to think? Y 是 equal. Coordinate of y is equal, or PE, the y coordinate is 0. Yeah, 试一下。Parallel. Let's see who can do it. Those online one can do or not? 有人可以做到吗？加一可以 get 啊？假乐 Venus
哎，假乐也来啊，假乐跟可以。哦，啊，可以可以，那不快起来哈。
怎么嘞？根本这样 surprise。You need to get. So this one will tell us about the what is the thing that we have. OD we have. OE we don't have. If OE divided by OD is 1 over 1 plus lambda, that means OD is 1 plus lambda OE. Right. So what is the thing that we have? We have OD. We have OD. OD 这个是 parallel. Okay, what is PE now? OE minus OB. So OE from here, OE is 1 over 1 plus lambda of OD. We have OD, 12 and 7. 12 and 7. Okay. Minus OB. Do we have OB? What is OB? 10, 3. Okay. So we can simplify this. This one will be 12 over 1 plus lambda minus 10. And 7 over 1 plus lambda minus 3. Okay, which one is going to be 0 here? 哪一个是变零的？ X coordinate or Y coordinate is 0 if it's parallel to x-axis. Y coordinate 0. Yeah, Y coordinate 0. Okay, Y coordinate will be 0 because moving horizontally. Okay. If it's equal to something, it means if it's moving this way, just like translation. So how do you move from here to here? Let's say this is 3. That means your translation is 3, 0. So this one like translation. So if it's 3, 0 means 7 over 1 plus lambda minus 3 is 0. So what is the lambda? Okay, we'll get the lambda. So this one, why is it 0? Because of the BE is parallel to x-axis. The vector BE parallel with x-axis. So what is it now? 4/3, correct. 7 is 3 plus 3 lambda. 4 is 3 lambda. Lambda is 4/3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I let you try? You try and see, 对吧? Vector equation, all these things. I think you can do one. Just refer to the first example. Okay? Okay. If you can understand the first example, then you can do it. Yeah. Let's continue. Okay, if you cannot understand very well, I think it's better for you to draw. Point A is here, right? It means point A is here. Starting point is the 0, 0. This one we need a velocity, and then you have a direction. Can you tell me how do we going to find the velocity vector? What should we do with this u value? This one time what? V equal to what? Time what? Magnitude, right? Divide by time unit vector of this, right? So what is 5 square, 12 square, 13. Okay, what is a vector now? Can you simplify it? Every time when you see this thing like that, it's like that. 就是这样做罢了。那个 A 不是 speed，那个 A 是 starting point，start point。Start from this one A，这个是 A 的。Then this one tell you about velocity. Velocity take the speed multiplied by unit vector. So divide 12 divided by 13. So you're going to multiply by 4. Direction would give you the unit vector. Direction 是方向。Because this one unit, no direction one. Speed is scalar quantity, no direction. So if you want to change it to vector quantity, you need to take the magnitude multiplied by unit vector. Just multiply by unit vector，乘就对了，不用想就是这样。No need to think so much，照着做罢了。52 times unit vector will give you velocity， cannot？ Yes。Okay. So it's going to be minus 20 and 48. Is it correct? Okay. So what is next? When they say position vector T-hour after leaving, it means you have to start to think about applying the unit vector. Is the starting point plus time times velocity. You know what is the starting point or not? They say start from here. So this is 0, 0. Plus t times the velocity. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay or not? 就这样做。Okay, the 0, 0 you don't have to consider. This is just minus 20t and 48t. B. Okay, how about the next one? Do you know what to do with this, and this? What is the equation for OQ? What is the starting point? 12, 8. T time what? Do you have better velocity? So do we need to do anything on this or not? We don't go and find the unit vector for this or not? No need. Because this is already velocity. Already velocity. Okay, now we have OP and OQ. How do we find PQ? PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. Can you go and minus this or not? OP is this one. Can you simplify this? Okay, so we can see here, this one is 12 and minus 10. So it's going to be minus 5t. Is it correct? How about the other one? This one is minus how many t? 45t minus 48t. Is it going to be this or not? Now what you need to show is this one. How are we going to show this? How do we find the distance of PQ? Distance is equal to what? Magnitude. So can you find the magnitude of this? Find the magnitude of this. Try to get this from here. Okay, I can let you do yourself by yourself. Vector. Okay, this one you don't have to substitute the t, expand this because this one is expansion. 144, this one is 60, 120t, 25t2 plus 64, 68t plus 90 square. 90. So t and t square and t square together. So we'll start with 34t square, right? How about the t and t minus 168t? What is the last figure? Erling part is correct. That's all. Find the t when they are 2 km apart. It's the unit for PQ in meter km. This is km. So it's in km. Find the t when the distance is now 2. Can you solve for this equation?那不三十 t square，三十 t square 吗？没有340的，34 t square。多一个是。Okay, solve for this. Please solve and see. If it's equal to 2, what is the value of the t? Okay, try yourself. If you say it's tough, actually not really, very tough. Just a normal equation. Okay, try to find how far apart. How do we solve this? Square both sides. Square both sides. You must square both sides. That means 24t square, 168t plus 208 is 2 square, so it's 4. So if you form a quadratic function, so you need to solve this quadratic equation. Are you good in solving quadratic equation? Yes. Very good. Hey, do you need English teacher or not? Because I English class on next month, next Saturday. Yes, IGCSE English after MS 4:15 to English 4:15 to 5:45, one and a half hour. 没有这个 MS 班过后，你们有拿英文的吗？英文有拿，有没有英文有补习啊？英文有补习啊？有吗？还有啊。没有，我有一个新的班 ，new class 的，这边是的，英文 teacher from UK, but it's a Chinese，不是我们学校，外面老师，去他嫁过来，
She's a Chinese.
She's a Chinese. She's from UK. She's a UK citizen. She married to Malaysia, so
对对，
she can speak Chinese. So she can teach English.
中国人。
不是，她是英国人，
干嘛呀？
她自己是，她本身也是，她是英国 citizen。她不是 Malaysian，她是华人，她不是 Malaysian。没有，Brunei 啊，Brunei 啊，Brunei 是文莱，不是文莱。Okay, the class will open. If you want to join, you can tell me. I will arrange for you.
明天晚上。
不是明天晚上，next week 星期六英文班 MS 过后星期六 blah blah. Okay, if you want to join, you let me know. I will arrange for you. That's all. Yeah. Okay, this one the T you have to based on the. Okay, do you need to? You can solve by quadratic function or using calculator. Okay, can you get from calculator?
No. I mean.
Decimal. What number? 2.8. And one more? Okay. So which one do we is the answer? They say first. This one first. So this one NA.
2.15。
Yeah. So answer is 2.15 seconds later. Your teacher in school, do they insist you to do the calculation 啊？这个是要做吗？不用，应该要。Okay, at least you have to show them equation 啊。
写出来就对了。
对啊，写出来就好。Okay, just divided by 2a. Okay, so these two are the answer. So choose the first answer, the first line. This is first part. Okay, this one no problem. Okay, try the next question, 5 marks. 来，这里做啊。 Okay, let's see the last question. The unit vector of OC. So what we have is this one. So we have A, we have B, we have C. Okay. OC. C is the one we do not know. We OC can it be OA plus AC? Can, right? Middle one same. It can also be OA plus 4BC because it's the same line, 4BC. Okay, now we need to OA is the one we have. BC we can just minus because BC is OC minus OB. So we can put it in. OC is a thing that we do not know. Okay, is there because the means here is SY. OC. Okay. OC minus OB, SY minus ten and minus 4. Okay, this is minus 10, 10 and minus 4. Okay, so this is going to be S equal to minus 5 plus 4, S minus 10, right? So we have 5 plus 4S minus 14. So 3S is 45. So S is 15. Is it correct? Okay, how about the Y? Form another one for Y. Minus 4 plus 4, Y plus 4. So this is minus 7 plus 4Y plus 16. So we have minus 3Y is 9. It's a Y minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, so this is a coordinate for OC. 15 and minus 3. OD. Yeah, OD. Okay, OC is you have to find the unit vector. So unit vector, you need to 1 over the magnitude. Then multiply by 15 and minus 3. So this is 1 over 15 square and 3 square. So it's going to be 3 sub 26, 5 and minus 3. We can also simplify 3. So it's 5 and minus 1. And this one again, you can change it to sub 26 over 26. Sub and 5 and minus 1. Is it correct? Yes. Congratulations, you can go home now.
Yeah.
Finally. Bye bye. 你没有老师电话？8.9一样的吗？嗯嗯。我买菲欧斯啊，菲欧斯啊，没有，反正我。OK，拜拜。拜拜。